Okay, question 5. So again, we've got everything on one side, right? And we go no common factor except this minus is being a pain in the butt. So we're going to pull that out. So we pull out the minus. We've got 6x squared minus 17x and then the take 3. Now you've got a choice, right? If you want to go splitting the terms or if you want to try and factorize as per normal. I mean, I'm looking at, I know I can get 6x squared by 6x times x or 2x times 3x, but I'm looking at this 3 and I see a 17. So I'm really going straight for 6 threes, right? 6 times 3, if that's a minus, that's minus 18, and then plus the 1. Okay, done. So therefore, x equals minus 1 over 6, or x equals 3. So if you want to do splitting the terms, you go forth. Same thing, no common factor of 2, so we're just going to pull out the minus. So that becomes 2x squared plus 5x, take 12. And then we're looking at, this is a nice prime number, so the only way to get 2x squared is to have 2x times x. We've now got factors of 12 that are somehow going to get us 5. So the factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Okay, what are we going to do here? Well, I am going to get rid of, not even going to consider the 2 and the 6 because they're both even, and no matter where I put them, I'm going to multiply them together and then I'll get an even number and I'll add 2 even numbers together. So that wouldn't work for me. Okay, looking at 3 and 4, because if I put the 3 here, 3 times x, that's going to give me an odd number, and 2 4s are 8, and lo and behold, 8 and 3 have a difference of 5, so I want that to be positive, I want that to be negative. So x will be 3 on 2, and x will be minus 4. Okay, with this one, woohoo! I get a little bit worried with the 12 there, but notice 12, 22 and 6, they are all even, so the biggest factor that I can pull out is 2. I was really hoping for 3, but sadly 2 is the biggest number, so that becomes 6x squared, take 11x plus 3. Good news is that the last term here is prime, not so good that this is 6. So I'm going to play around a little bit. Okay, if I went with 6x and x, factors of 3 being 1 and 3, I don't think, 6 threes? Well, 6 threes are 18, but then I get a 1, so that's not going to work. So I'm pretty confident. All right, I'm trying 2x and 3x. And we're going with 3 threes are, right, that gives me 9, and then 2x times 1 gives me the 2, right, so I've got 9x, and then I've got 2x, and I'm going to get 11 from that if they're both negative, and then when I times them together, I get a plus. All right, comes with a little bit of practice, and again, knowing your multiplications. Please, if you want to do splitting the terms, do it at this point. So x equals 3 over 2, and if you need more practice with splitting the terms, please go back and look at that other video that we had.